Good morning students. Welcome back to the English Channel Prime. Students, in the last class we have completed explanation to the chapter 2 of Geography for class 8, Diverse Natural Resources of the World. I hope all of you understood this, and we have also completed few activities based on this chapter, like making a collage on soil conservation, water, natural vegetation, preserving wildlife, etc. We have also completed a group discussion on the importance of natural resources. Now in this session, let's start with the exercises. So children, all of you open page number 155. Let's discuss the objective type questions. First main A. Multiple choice type questions. 1. Soil is formed by the process of dash. 4 options are given: denudation, deposition, weathering and erosion. So it is because of process of weathering. Then second, contour plowing and terrace cultivation is common along dash river valleys, steep slopes, deltas or plains. Yes, it is done in the steep slopes. Option B. Third question, which is not a conservation method of water resource? Is it water harvesting, pollution of water bodies, multipurpose projects or judicious use of water? Not a conservation method. So which one it is? Yes, the option B, pollution of water bodies. Done children? Next, B, match the following. Column A, shelter belts, it would be match with A, conservation of forest and wildlife. Is it? No, it would match with the E, soil conservation. B, bioreserve. A, second one, bioreserves and national parks will match with, yes children, it can match with A, conservation of forest and wildlife. 3, soil formation would match with, yes, weathering. Fourth, water harvesting would match with, yes, it is conservation of water. Then total land area on the earth would match with, yes, the last one, 29% is the total land area. Done children? Let's move to C. State whether the following statements are true or false. First one, deforestation is the planting of trees. Is it? No, it is false. It is afforestation. Second one, terrace farming is the construction of steps or terraces on the hill slopes to control the soil erosion. Yes, it is true. Third question, in deciduous forest, trees shed their leaves in all season. Is it? No, it is false. In evergreen forest, trees, no, in deciduous forest, the trees shed in a particular time or season. Now next, second main, very short answer questions. Let's do the first question. List out the factors affecting land use pattern of an area. So the answer is, there are physical factors like the relief of the land, the soil, the climate, the slope of the land, etc. And also human factors like the population density, the needs and aspirations of the people, development of technology, etc. are the factors that affects the land use pattern of an area. Second question, why is land use planning essential? Yes children, write down the answer. Land use planning is essential for optimum utilization of the land because land is a limited resource and growing population has created demand for land for agriculture, housing, construction, roads, etc. Done. Third question, in what different ways is land degradation caused? Answer, the different ways in which the land degradation is caused are running water, wind, deforestation and overgrazing. Done. Fourth question, state the factors affecting soil formation. Answer, factors affecting soil formation are: first, nature of the parent rock; second, topography or relief; third, climate; fourth, the animals; fifth, the type of vegetation; and sixth, time. Next, fifth question, how is water called a renewable resource? Answer. Water is called a renewable resource because it gets renewed through the process of the hydrological cycle. Sixth question. Suggest two different ways to conserve water. Yes, answer. We can conserve water by constructing dams, by digging the tanks and storing the water in rainy season, or by doing rainwater harvesting. Done, children? Now next, third main short answer questions. Second main fast question. What steps have been taken to conserve forest and wildlife? Answer. The following steps have been taken to conserve the forest and wildlife. First one, national parks or wildlife sanctuaries and the bioreserves have been set up. Second, national forest policy has been implemented. Third, efforts are being made to control the deforestation and overgrazing. Fourth point, hunting of endangered species has been banned. Second question, explain the difference between withering and erosion. Answer. Withering refers to the disintegration and decomposition of the rocks, whereas erosion is the wearing away of the earth's surface by the action of running water, wind, etc. Withering takes longer time than erosion. Done. Third question. Explain the different methods of soil conservation. Answer. Some methods of soil conservation are: first is afforestation. Planting more and more trees helps in soil conservation as the roots of the plants can prevent the soil from being washed away. Thus, it will help in soil conservation. Second, through contour plowing, it helps in checking the water flow and in conservation of the soil. Third, by crop rotation. Crop rotation helps in maintaining the soil fertility. Fourth, by construction of shelter belts. Growing of rows of trees in the arid area or the dry coastal areas helps in reducing the force of wind, running water, and thus check the soil erosion. Still, there are many other methods also, like terrace farming, strip cropping, bundling, fallow fields, use of chemical fertilizers, plugging of gullies, control of deforestation and overgrazing, etc. we can follow to conserve the soil. Next, state 3 points of differences between tropical evergreen and deciduous forest. Write down the answer. Make two columns for tropical evergreen forest and deciduous forest. In the tropical evergreen forest, you can write first point. These forests are found in the areas of heavy rainfall and sunshine. In the case of deciduous forest, you can write these forests are found in the areas of comparatively less rainfall. Second point, trees in these forests do not shed their leaves during any part of the year. In the deciduous forest, trees in these forests shed their leaves in a particular season. Third point, these forests have different types of trees like the bamboos, the rubber, the sandalwood, etc. And under deciduous forest, you can write these forests have less varieties of trees like the oak tree, the cedar tree, the fir tree, etc. Fourth point, evergreen forest. These forests are found on the eastern margins of continents like South China, South Brazil, etc. And under deciduous forest, you can write these forests are found in subtropical regions of Asia, Central America, Brazil, etc. with a distinct dry season like the monsoons. Done, children? Next question. Fourth main long answer questions. First question, write a note on different types of soil. Let's write the answer. We find 6 types of soil in India. First one, alluvial soil. These soils are found in the plains. They are formed by the deposition of the sediments brought down by the rivers. They are very fertile. They can be classified into two categories, new alluvial or the khadar and the old alluvial or the bangar. Khadar is more fertile than bangar. Khadar contains the fine particles of soil. Second, black soil. These are formed from lava. They are also called cotton soil or regur soil, and cotton grows very well in these soils. In India, these are found in Maharashtra, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. These are known as the cotton soil. Third type of soil is the red and yellow soil. Withering of igneous and metamorphic rocks give rise to red and yellow soil. They are not very fertile. They are found in the southern and eastern parts of peninsular India. Fourth type of soil is laterite soil. These are the result of intense leaching in the tropical regions and they are infertile. Fifth type is desert or arid soil. Those are found in Rajasthan and Gujarat. And third desert, they are less fertile as they lack moisture and humus. Sixth type is the mountainous soil. These are limited to the mountain regions and are very less fertile. Done children? Now next question. Second one, explain the reasons for water shortage or scarcity in a given region. Answer. There are many areas or regions in the world where we find shortage of water like African countries, West Asia, Western USA and Australia have shortage of water. In India we have Western Rajasthan or the third desert that has shortage of water. The reasons for this shortage are first point less rainfall, second the hot weather and third people are engaged in felling of forest and trees, highly uneven or erratic seasonal and annual precipitation, overpopulation, overplot of the industries and wastage of water and water contamination are the reasons for the scarcity of water. Done children? Third question. List out the causes for depletion of forest and wildlife. Answer. Causes for depletion of forest and wildlife are, first point, we have been very careless about the importance of forest and wildlife in the past. Second, the government also did not give due attention. Third, the rapid growth of population, demand for agriculture, land and housing are also responsible for the depletion of the forest and wildlife. Fourth question, state 4 mitigation strategies to reduce the impact of landslides. Answer, the 4 mitigation strategies to reduce the impact of landslides are, first, watch posts should be set up. Second, trained and well equipped persons should be put on duty on these posts. Third, to generate awareness among the people. Fourth, to plant more trees and check destruction of natural vegetation in the landslide prone areas. Next, last question, fifth one. How are forest fires caused? List out a few steps to prevent forest fires. Answer. The causes of forest fires which are common in tropical regions are, first, friction of leaves, second, lightning, third, careless attitude of people and smoking, fourth, local people also set fire in the forest and the steps to prevent all these forest fires are, first point, setting up of well equipped watch post, second, to generate awareness among the people, third, to arrange mock drill programs to check fire in the beginning of the fire. Done children? Hope all of you understood. Thank you.